Hello, my name's Dan, and I'm an integrated systems engineer at Latent AI. I'm excited to share a few of the great new features that LEIP 2.8 brings in these release notes. Our flagship product, the Latent AI Efficient Inference Platform, or LEIP for short, is an MLOps software development kit that can optimize and secure neural network runtimes for specific hardware targets. LEIP creates ultra-efficient and portable models optimized for compute, energy, and memory without requiring any changes to existing AI ML infrastructure and frameworks. Customizable templates, called recipes, are pre-qualified for a range of hardware targets and enable rapid prototyping of new models. We've just released our latest version of 2.8. Let's hop into it and look at some of our new highlights. The first thing I'd like to show you is our new LEIP recipes. Expanding on our existing YOLOv5 recipes and classifier recipes, we bring in 2.8 the EfficientDet and MobileNet SSD recipes. The documentation for these new recipes can be found online at docs.latentai.io. We will show you how to start your recipe, optimize and compile, as well as evaluate and deploy your model afterwards. The EfficientDet is a very deep and strong model that can fit many different problem sets. The EfficientDet comes in multiple different flavors to find the perfect one to suit your problem. All new models also include your bring your own data path, pre and post processors, as well as evaluation support to help guide you through your entire recipe experience. The MobileNet SSD is a robust detection model that can fit even on the smallest devices. In 2.8, we have a new LEIP package and LRE release. LRE stands for the Latent Runtime Engine and is a Python C++ wrapper that allows for near instant deployment of your model to any device. No longer having to track tricky dependencies, as they are all now contained within the LRE object. Soon we'll also be releasing plugins and custom services for the Latent Runtime Engine to help you with things like encryption, model integrity, model updating, and making sure that your model is still running as fast as when you deployed it. We've also refreshed and upgraded our existing CLI command, LEIP Evaluate, in 2.8. LEIP Evaluate is now model agnostic, supporting both classifiers and detection models. LEIP Evaluate is also data agnostic, supporting several different data types, such as MS Coco, Kitty, or Pascal Vogue. We also support custom pre and post processors so that your evaluation in Latent AI can be tailored to your needs. Lastly, I'm excited to announce our new Fuji backend. This new backend to our SDK provides improvements across the board for both compilation and quantization. We now offer several new quantization and calibration schemes, including symmetric per channel quantization on ARM devices. We are also including better bias correction, model coverage, introspection, and opening batch size greater than 1 support on all compilation forms. With LEIP, we expect faster compilation times and faster quantization, as well as more introspection to get down to the nitty-gritty of making sure that every inch of our quantization is performing as best as it possibly can be. We expect great things with this tool in the future and are excited to release it to our customers. For more detailed tutorials, visit the Resource Center on our website, latentai.com, to find links to our LEIP SDK user guide and LEIP recipes documentation. To watch a full walkthrough of an end-to-end workflow with a LEIP recipe, follow the link below. For further inquiries, please contact info@latentai.com.